I normally buy foam brushes in bulk and online just because they're significantly cheaper that way. The problem with buying stuff online is that you really never know what you're going to get quality-wise until you receive it. Here are a couple of the brands that I bought from Amazon as well as the prices. On the bottom we have the low Cornell 2-inch, which are about 36 cents each. And then you got the Pro Grade 2-inch, which is quite a bit cheaper at 25 cents for a 2-inch. If you zoom in and look at the quality, you'll notice that the Pro Grade looks like it has a bit of a coarser edge, and the low Cornell is a little bit cleaner cut. And the Pro Grade also has a steeper bevel, which makes the tip a little bit softer, even though the foam for both brushes feels pretty comparable in density. Pretty similar in most ways, but the different texture on the tip is going to give you a little bit of a different finish quality when you're applying a surface finish. Now moving up to the 1-inch, we got the low Cornell again, 1-inch, 29 cents each, and the Worcester, which is double the price of the low Cornell. But now let's look at the quality. You can notice a pretty significant difference between the low Cornell and the Worcester 1-inch. The Worcester just has a cleaner line across the tip. It looks like the foam is denser, better quality, and less likely to fall apart. And it really depends on what you're going to use the brushes for. So if you're going to apply like an oil finish, for example, where you're going to wipe it off anyway, it doesn't really matter. But if you're going to apply any kind of a surface or a built-up finish, the difference in the tip quality might really make a difference in your finish quality. Let's take a look at an example here using some blue paint. This is with a Worcester 1-inch, and we'll see how evenly that gets spread out. And now switching over to the cheaper brush, let's see what that looks like. There you have it. The Worcester clearly gives a higher quality application. It's more even and has less ridges. So just keep that in mind when you're selecting your brushes. For me, I'd rather have the higher quality brush, even though it's a little bit more expensive. I don't use enough of these that it's really going to make any impact on my wallet. But when I reach for one of these brushes, I want it to do exactly what I expect it to do and not have to worry about the finish quality. If you're not worried about the finish quality, go ahead and pick the cheaper brush.